You know, our planet is a place of these incredible, profound contrasts. It can pull you in with beauty that feels like it's straight out of a dream, but at the same time, it holds this raw, untamed power that demands our respect. So, in this explainer, we're going to dive into that very duality, the breathtaking wonder and the terrifying danger that, so often, exist in the exact same place.
This quote, it gets right to the heart of what we're talking about today. It tells you everything you need to know about the world's wildest jungle, and it perfectly captures our theme. Beauty and danger aren't opposites. Nope, they're two sides of the very same leaf.
So first, let's explore the side of our world that calls to us, the one that sparks our spirit of discovery. These majestic, awe-inspiring places that honestly feel like they've been pulled from another realm entirely.
We're going to start our journey right here with this staggering number, 3,212 feet. That is the height of Angel Falls in Venezuela. It's the world's highest uninterrupted waterfall, an almost unbelievable ribbon of water just pouring from a tabletop mountain. It's a place so remote, so pristine, it feels like a secret the Earth decided to keep for itself. And then you have this, where human wonder meets natural wonder. I mean, can you even imagine the faith and the sheer determination it took to build these sanctuaries, perched way up there, high above the world, just to escape conflict and be physically closer to the divine? It's an incredible feat of both engineering and spirit.
This right here captures a totally different kind of beauty, one of just perfect harmony. Mount Fuji is such a powerful cultural symbol of peace, and to see it mirrored so perfectly in these calm waters, well, it's like witnessing a moment of absolute stillness and balance in the world.
6,000 years. This number represents the potential age of Madagascar's baobab trees. And let me tell you, these aren't just trees, they are ancient sentinels. Their massive trunks are designed to store water, which lets them survive for millennia in some really harsh conditions. They're basically living monuments to endurance and to time itself.
Okay, but here's the thing. The beautiful, inviting world we've just seen, it has another side, a hidden and often perilous one, where an invitation to look a little closer can be a very, very dangerous thing.
And this is the question that changes everything. It completely shifts our perspective from just simple admiration to a more cautious and, frankly, necessary awareness. It forces us to stop and ask, what's really lurking just beneath the surface of all that beauty?
So get this, that otherworldly beauty is actually a giant warning sign. Those vivid colors, they're not paint. They're created by microorganisms that absolutely thrive in lethal, boiling heat. It's a perfect and terrifying example of nature telling us, hey, admire me, but from a very safe distance.
All right, now we're going to dig a little deeper into this duality, and we're going to look at it across the fundamental elements that shape our planet. We're talking water, ice, earth, and life itself. You'll see how the very same forces can be both creators and, well, destroyers.
Just think about the awesome, life-affirming power of water for a second. At Niagara Falls, 85,000 gallons thunder over the edge every single second. It's just a magnificent spectacle of nature's raw energy. It feels vibrant and powerful and so alive. Now contrast that life-giving force with this. The boiling lake in Dominica is a place of deep mystery and extreme danger. It's a flooded volcanic vent, a fumarole, being constantly cooked by molten rock below. And that story about an expedition vanishing there without a trace, it's a chilling reminder that some of nature's secrets are best left alone. So what about ice? Well, here in Iceland's Vatnajökull Glacier, ice is an artist. Meltwater carves these ethereal, otherworldly ice caves. They are serene, beautiful worlds of frozen light that just invite you in to witness their temporary, fragile magic.
But ice can also be a silent, unforgiving killer. This is the life-threatening temperature the climbers can face on Denali in Alaska. At these extremes, the cold is just relentless. Some climbers have literally frozen to death inside their own tents, a tragic, brutal testament to the power of ice.
You know, the same geologic forces that raise up majestic mountains also create landscapes like this. The Danakil Depression is one of the hottest, most alien and inhospitable places on Earth. Seriously, its neon green acid lakes and poisonous fumes make it look like another planet, one that is actively hostile to life.
And here we see the immediate danger of our planet's inner fire. You've got volcanoes like Nyiragongo with terrifyingly fast lava flows that can move faster than you can run. And then there's Mount Merapi, which has tragically taken hundreds of lives. They are constant, powerful reminders of the unpredictable force simmering just beneath our feet.
And finally, let's look at life itself. Nowhere on this planet is life more abundant, more vibrant than in the Amazon. I mean, these numbers are just staggering. 1 in 10 known species on Earth? It's the lungs of the Earth for sure, and an incredible testament to the planet's creative force.
But, and you knew there was a but coming, wherever there is that much life, there is also a constant, ruthless struggle for survival. This quote captures the true essence of the Amazon's danger. It's not about loud roars, it's about the silent, unseen predators that absolutely rule the shadows.
And this contrast is fascinating because it exists even within the animal kingdom. On one hand, you've got the impossibly tranquil capybara just chilling by the river, often with other species. And on the other hand, you have Ilha de Queimada Grande, Snake Island. It's so densely packed with hypervenomous vipers that it's completely and wisely off-limits to humans.
So after seeing all these extremes, the breathtaking beauty and the terrifying danger, what's the big takeaway? How do we find our place in a world that is so much more powerful than we are?
You know, that poetic line we heard at the beginning, it really just wraps it all up perfectly. The true identity of our planet isn't found in just its harmony or just its chaos. It's found in both, the symphony and the scream. They're part of the exact same composition.
And that leads us to this really vital understanding. The ultimate lesson here isn't to be afraid, is to have a profound and absolutely necessary respect. We are visitors in these ancient landscapes, and recognizing our own fragility in the face of these forces, well, that's the beginning of wisdom.
So let's end on this thought. This isn't just about admiring beautiful places or avoiding dangerous ones. It's a question that really challenges us to reconsider our relationship with the wild, powerful, and beautiful world we are just lucky enough to call home.